All right, here we have another eBay treasure, and this is a Zenith transistor radio. Zenith Royal. Isn't that a beautiful radio? Gorgeous. Royal 20. No civil defense markings on the screen. Zenith Radio Corporation. So let's get it open and see what kind of batteries it takes. There we go. Okay, I got a little bit of corrosion that we need to clean up. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 transistor. Is that what it said on the front? Didn't say. Install 2. What does that say? Let me zoom in here. Install 2 mercury batteries this way. Okay, well, I don't have any mercury batteries, but I might have some. I have some of these, and so we'll get, I don't know if these are any good, but we'll try them. Positive is towards the bottom, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's, and they will fit, I'm pretty sure that's the right size battery. Yeah. Yeah, they'll fit in there just fine. I got corrosion, so I'm not expecting to hear anything just yet. So let's clean that corrosion up, and we'll see if we can get any sound. And I need to double check, make sure those batteries are good too. So let me get the Dremel, and I'll scrub on those a little bit with the brush. Okay, I've got the terminals cleaned, nice and shiny. So let's see if we have any audio now. Very sensitive. Look at how the volume control is turned sideways on an angle. That's pretty cool. Beautiful little radio. And the fact that it's a Zenith really makes it special. Add that to my Zenith collection. That is a jewel. And it's a pretty hefty little radio. I'll look up the chassis number online, and then I'll add that information to the video. And clearly this was an easy repair. It wasn't even a repair, just a cleanup. And we got the correct batteries, had them in my stock here, so that was fortunate. And we'll put this Muslim battery puller back in. There we go. Make sure we still have, okay, still do. And we'll clean this corrosion up a little bit and put it back together.